Hello, Barbara Moreau from Ancient Wisdom Trail. We're continuing our teachings with disconnecting memory cells and DNA. Anytime in our lives we can get memory cells or DNA transferred to us either through trauma, through falling, through someone hitting us, spanking us, through loving acts such as kissing, or any type of DNA swap. Memory cells are like little cells in your body. Every memory in your life from birth until now, everything you've seen, felt, touched, witnessed, is stored in your body as a memory cell. And we feel them as triggers. Whenever we see or smell something, it hits our gut, or we get an ache or a pain, that's our body saying that's where the memory is stored. A lot of times we don't realize that in those memory cells or DNA, with past relations, that we can disconnect from them, because a lot of times it's like, I don't know why I'm thinking about this person. This was like 20 years ago. This is 5 years ago. So what you can easily do is say, okay, you go back in your memory and you remember where the DNA and memory cell swap happened, and then you say, okay, I call back my power, my permission, and my spirit. I call back my memory cells and my DNA, and you say the person's name, and I give back their power, permission, spirit, DNA, and memory cells. I disconnect from you and I send you blessings. So this way you're calling back the piece of yourself that you've essentially loaned out until you learn better. So it's not that you did anything wrong, it's just a life process. You can understand it a little bit more with people who get organ transplants. They take on a person's attitude, their allergies, food cravings, and they don't know why. It has to do with the DNA and memory cell exchange in the organ transplant. So once you understand that on a more of a scientific level and a spiritual level, then you'll be able to see, oh, okay, that's why I'm feeling this way. That's why this person's popping in my mind. I haven't disconnected from them yet. So don't feel bad. It was a life experience. You take all the goodness, understand the bad, and you let it all go. And you clear out your body so that your body's a holy vessel, and you have all your power, permission, spirit, DNA, and memory cells back.